This exam application tutorial is on the topic of separation techniques. The question for 6 marks, describe how we can separate the different components of air. So which process do we use to separate the mixture of gases that make air, and describe the process stating how we separate each gas in air. Well, firstly, you have to filter air to remove the dust. Then you have to cool the air down so it becomes liquid, so cool it to -200 degrees Celsius. As you cool it down, water will condense very quickly and it can be removed, so it becomes a liquid from a gas and we can get it that way. Carbon dioxide will also freeze as we cool the air down and can be removed as a solid, so we can see carbon dioxide being removed. The remaining gases are separated by fractional distillation according to their boiling point. So oxygen has a higher boiling point than nitrogen, so condenses first. So you can see that as these gases enter the fractionating column, you can see that oxygen will condense first and then nitrogen. And that's because oxygen has a higher boiling point, so over here where it's hottest, it will stay as a gas for a bit, but as it gets cooler, it will quickly condense, whereas nitrogen has a lower boiling point, so will remain as a gas longer until it's cool enough to condense.